Today we are going to learn how to create YouTube Reels or Instagram Shorts in minutes. The best part, you don't need to show your face. I will demonstrate the new text-to-voice generator called F5 TTS, which you can download through Pinocchio. Let's begin. Okay, first we have to download F5 TTS. You can check my other video on how to install Pinocchio and download AI applications. You can click here. First, we have to get your text. I'm gonna work with this existing slide that I have for presentations, and I used before to publish my post. So this is a PDF. The only problem is that this PDF is not a text editable, so I'm gonna use this extension for Chrome called ShareX. Also, you can download a Windows version. I'm gonna put the links below in the description so you can try it out yourself. Okay, so since this PDF it's all in images and not text, we're gonna use this OCR that is built in this extension. So let me show you how it works. First, select the OCR option in this box. Then you choose the text area you want to convert, like this. Once it's selected, you just copy the generated text and paste it into a notepad, in this case. And then we'll do the same for all the 10 pages. I mean, for this example, I'm using this PDF, but you can use any text you want. For example, articles, existing posts, or in this case, like me, a slide from a PDF. Okay, so once we have our text, we will move it to Claude. In this case, I'm using Claude because I think is the best for creativity. The way and the tone it generates the content, it's more creative, in my opinion, than ChatGPT. So as you know, Claude is ChatGPT competitors, and I find it more intuitive and creative for this kind of writing. So then, copy your presentation text and paste it into Claude. And then in the prompt, we tell it, rewrite this content for a video script in under 150 words. 150 words is approximately 1 minute of video, or the equivalent to do a YouTube short. Okay, for voice generator, we're gonna use F5 TTS. And as I explained before, you can install it through Pinocchio. Now we're gonna take this text and we're gonna pass it through our voice generator F5 TTS. So first we had to give a reference voice for the applications to generate the text. In this case, I already have an audio file, which is this one. And then we're gonna trim it to 15 seconds. So 15 seconds is the recommended length to generate a more accurate voice. Okay, so now we trim our voice and then we copy the text from Claude and we paste it here. And then we click on synthesize. We wait for around 1 to 2 minutes. That's dependent on your graphics cards. And then there you have it. Here we have the results. Let's play it and check.
Making tough decisions doesn't have to be overwhelming. Let's explore some powerful mental models to help you choose wisely. First, recognize that not all decisions carry the same weight.
Okay, the quality, it's based on the reference, of course. So in this case, it sounds very close to my voice. I'm not a native English speaker, so that's why it sounds a bit weird. But the recommendation is to use a good audio quality, so you have better results. Okay, there you have it. So we have our text, and here we can just download it as a waveform. And for this tutorial, I'm not gonna go into very deep into this app. I'm just gonna show you more or less what you can do. because here you can have different tones of voice, you can have more expressions, but in this video, as I said, I'm not gonna go into very detail in this app. The next step is to import the audio file that we already generated in F5 TTS, and we're gonna use CapCut to create these word-by-word captions. One recommendation is to use one of the old versions. Right now, the version I'm using is this 3.6.0. Otherwise, if you use a newer version, you're gonna have to pay for that feature. Okay, so let's open the file. We're gonna create new project, and we import the WAV file that we already generated in F5 TTS. Okay, so we have it here. And then what we're gonna do is to generate the captions. So we click here on text, we select the file first, the channel, and here we create auto captions and generate. This usually takes around, depending on the graphic card, but it takes around 1 to 2 minutes, also depending on the length of the video. Okay, so now we have the text here, and as you can see, we already have the captions on top. Now what we're gonna do is import our file, this one. And also, because this file is already in a vertical format, so the aspect ratio CapCut synchronizes and adjusts it automatically. So I don't have to do anything. And here, because the length of the video is a bit short, so we're gonna make it to fill the 40, at the moment it's 18 seconds. So we're gonna have it as 1 minute, which is 59 seconds. So we can have it exactly one minute. Otherwise, it wouldn't recognize in YouTube as a short. We're gonna generate the text word by word. So what we can do is to select all the text, or here in the text option you can put apply to all, and then automatically change all the captions. And here in animation we're gonna change to captions, and we're gonna change word by word. Okay, let's do this one. It's called spring. And here what we're gonna do is to change the text and the font to this called Vivas Neo. So I'm gonna type it here, and we're gonna align it into center and the middle of the canvas. And then, because of the video is longer, what we're gonna do is to select the two files, the two channels, sorry, the text and the audio, and we're gonna make a compound text. And then we're gonna change the length of the video to 59 seconds, even low, less than 59. Let's do 58. And then we have to keep the pitch. Let's see. Okay, after that, what we're gonna do is to import an audio for the background. So now I already have some files for music, which I also generate using AI. And then we're just gonna put it at the back of the video, and then we cut it at 60 seconds. And then we're gonna put a watermark on my ID on top. So we put it here, and then we center and we put it below the text. Something like this.
Mental energy on the big ones: career, relationships, and where you live. When facing choices, try these strategies. Think long term. What would your future self want? Flip the question.
Okay, so I like the results. Now we're gonna export it, and then we're gonna choose export as a video. This is 1080p, so it means that it's 1080 by 1920 pixels. Okay, and that's it. So this is the result. I'm very happy with that, and we'll just put a name here. There you have it. That's how you create faceless shorts for YouTube or reels for Instagram. Okay, so that's it for me now. If you like this video, please thumbs up, share it, put the notifications on. Also, if you need any help related with AI, design, or personal branding, please send me a DM to this ID or put a comment on how to improve my videos, or if you have any specific topic that you want me to talk about in this channel. That's it for me now. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.